Hello and welcome to MalMakes. I wanted to take a moment to look back on year 3, but also talk a little bit about year 4 and what it's going to look like here on the channel. First, I wanted to thank you all for your support this year. I have a great community here on YouTube, and I wanted to thank you all for watching videos, buying prints and posters on Redbubble, getting original canvases, and especially my patrons. None of this could exist without this community, and I really appreciate you guys. For year 4, MalMakes is going to be changing. I want to do even more content here on YouTube, but 4 paintings a month is quite a bit to undertake with just myself. So I want to do some shorter videos on different topics. It's MalMakes, not MalPaints, so I thought I could do things like other types of art. I thought about different things people would like to see or questions I've had a lot of in the past about how to care for paintbrushes, how I ship these canvases, how I varnish these canvases. So I have quite a few ideas, but if there's something you'd like to see, just leave it in the comments and I'll make sure I add it to my list. There's a ton of video game ideas I'd like to paint and explore in 2019, so there still will be a painting coming out at the end of each month. Now, because of all of this, Patreon tiers are changing, and if you'd like to learn more about supporting me in 2019, you can go to supportmal.com to see all of your options. Alongside this video, there are 2 new prints available on Redbubble. The first is a pentaptic, which has the first 5 loading screen paintings from Tropical Freeze, and the second is a hexaptic, which has all 6 worlds. Check out the link below for both of them. Again, thank you guys so much for the support this past year, and I'm really excited to see what 2019 will bring to MalMakes. And as we've done in the past years, let's look back at all the paintings from 2018.